Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to turn on profile view for your TikTok account. So it's not possible to see who viewed your TikTok unless you have a private account and it's only a few people. But it is possible to see who viewed your account, as in your entire TikTok account. So in order to do that, first you want to come to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you see that that icon beside the three bars that looks like an eye. You want to press on that. Once you press on that, over here it shows turn on profile view history. This means anyone that comes and gives your profile a view, you'll be able to see who viewed it. You just want to press on turn on, and then that's it. And then just go back, double check if it's turned on. It's turned on, and yeah, that's about it. So now anyone that comes and views your profile, you'll get a notification that this person came and viewed your profile. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.